And joining us from our live phone in Asean Business Report is the head of research CIMB Securities Thailand, คุณเกษม พรหมรัตนมาลา Good afternoon ครับคุณเกษม
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
คุณเกษมครับ Overseas investors have bought 2.07 billion baht more of Thai stocks than they sold yesterday. So what are some of the catalysts that continue to drive foreign buying into the Thai stock market?
Actually, there are two main factors. First is our improved political situation.
Yep.
They are of the view that political situation in Thailand has improved quite dramatically. Since July election last year, and they expect a more stable government going forward. So, with improved political situation, they thought that Thai economy will perform well. So that's why I think they allocate more money into Thailand. And yes, and actually the second factor is the strong corporate earnings and attractive valuation of our market. The corporate earnings are expected to grow over 20% this year, and our valuation at the beginning of the year at least wasn't that high. So I think there were massive inflows into the country on the back of massive liquidity injection of the European Central Bank.
Right. Kun Kasem, are you concerned about the rising oil prices, which could drive up costs and hurt the bottom lines of listed companies in the stock market?
Yes, we are concerned about rising oil prices, especially if tension in the Middle East continue to rise. However, I think the corporate earning growth this year should still be quite resilient on the back of strong domestic economy, plus cut in the corporate income tax rate. However, if oil price continue to rise, I think it could hurt market sentiment. For example, if overseas market which are not likely to whose corporate are not likely to grow as fast as their Thai counterparts are affected by the rising oil prices, I think our sentiment will be hurt as well.
So, Kun Kasem, precisely, what's your projection of earnings growth in the Thai market only in the first half of this year?
In the first half, we would expect the corporate earning growth to be about 16 to 17%. But in the second half, the growth could be stronger, at least on the lower base of fourth quarter last year. So the whole year this year, we expect corporate earning to grow by about 21%.
Right. What is your what should be the investment strategy for investors during this volatile period? Kun Kasem?
Actually, for the short-term strategy, we actually recommend investors to trim their investment in the stock market, because Thai market so far this year has been one of the best performing in the region, and with rising oil price, that could be a good excuse for investors to take profit from the market. So in the short term, we would expect probably some market correction on the back of probably negative news flow from overseas.
Right.
Yes, Kun Kasem, one more question. How are the Thai stocks performing in comparing to our neighbors like Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam?
We actually so far this year has gone up by about 13 to 14%. Which is among the best in the region. Only Philippine stock market only slightly outperform us. We outperform the rest, including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Malaysia.
I see, Kun Kasem. Well, thank you for joining us in Asean Business Report today.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Goodbye.